Omu district ezindi zarambwirwa akakiiko aka harimu Rubirizi hamwe na Shema kandi eriizooba basiiba mu district ya Kiruhura barakuvugana abebembezi kandi nibeija kuhenderera omurimbaara n'orukiiko rw'abanyamyuga batari bamwe na bamwe omu by'obwegyese.
What we have done initially, we read all the documents, hopefully, the papers, what has been done, the laws. Then we invited people to write us memos, to give their views, those who can write. If you will not write, I think those did not write, but the literacy rate is very high. And we get over 230 something memos, and I think still people are still writing.
Akakiiko aka kateebwaho Minisita w'Ebyobwegyese Janet Kataaha Museveni omu mwaka w'2021 kandi nikareeba ha polisi empango y'omwaka gwa 1992 eyi gavumenti etaaha nayo eyi barikweta Government White Paper of 1992.
So sit down, write down your views. You wanted them orderly, make them orderly. At a childhood, primary, secondary, university, whatever you want, give your views in writing and send them to us. We shall take them into consideration.
Babembezi omu district Nkantunga hamwe na Rwampara bagambira bari kubagaruza enyuma mu by'obwegyese.
When I try to compare the curriculum we are handling and the curriculum of the secondary, they don't match. Therefore, I am of the view that at least it would be better if the curriculum we are using is in line with the secondary curriculum.
We are getting a challenge, especially at the district, where we were given the responsibility to pay the teachers that we don't deploy, to pay the teachers that we don't transfer. So we are facing a challenge because of times even teachers transfer to other districts, but we keep on paying them for some time.
If government can take up the ECD center and we get the right caregivers who are trained and who are qualified to take up the mandate, it would bring a difference in the lives of our citizens of Uganda.
Omu makuru agandi bakama b'amashomero mu ihanga bahireho kwetomwita kwabo ahabwa emishoro baberire ecwero. Ebi babigambira mu rukiiko rw'abanyamakuru rubira hishomero ya Par Junior School Bushenyi orwetabirwa abebembezi b'ekibiina ekiri kugiyita bakama b'amashomero mu ihanga ryona ekya National Private Education Institutions Association Uganda abarenu betebekanisiza okujaguza emyaka 30 mu buhereza.
Tuhereza umushoro na RC wano umushoro roko government tuhereza umushoro abakasasoro batushabe umushoro se imishoro ni nyingi cyangwa ngo batukora umushoro gumwe muke ubwo kubasa kushashurwa konka kuko kube imishoro nyingi kandi burikire nabagumane no bongeza eco nacyo tubeza kutuberekiza
kandi need private schools tukozire cyango okubasa kwendegeza ebyobwegyese mu Uganda mwene nshabangwe bikwatire n'emishoro ruyare private schools tutsimiye kubantu emishoro abo kugira ngo tuyambaho government okusomesa abana bakaba abo mugaso kuyambi hangarite
hona baborikiro buhinza mutuma ahabwe miringo y'Ministry y'Ebyobwegyese n'emizaniro kuhinguza mu mateka.
Tuyine bisomesebwe ebipya byetulaba mu secondary ngate tebiri mu primary ngate mu secondary tubiraba mu senior eyokuna ngate mu yokutano tebiriyo ngate ne mu university tebiriyo kati ebyo nebitusomoza nga sector labiddayo kungeri Ministry y'Ebyenjigiriza gyeteekateekamu ebyenjigiriza
ono mu government kugira ngo tuba kubaja akashente kakire na nabashomesa abantu bakabwana benda kwanga kuzombushomesa kushomesa azabanya Uganda mwareba abanya Uganda abamwe muri ito bayanga kuzomukwe omukushome byo kushomesa abanya Uganda mubeno mumanyangu ihanga ryito ryazumara aha biro bitano byo kwezi kwikuma mwaka ogu ihanga ryona ngyija kuzaguruza mu kishayi cya Bushenyi obwo kibina cya National Private Education Institutions Association Uganda kiri kujaguza imyaka 30 y'icyamaro mu buhereza.
Turaba twine wabo mutejeki turabashobora ibitukozere bono babireba kuba kubireba abenshi barengaho bakatwise mishoro iri kurenda kamshanje iri kututambi ikono tukabire tukora ibindi iri kurengaho.
Gashaka Abdul Karim Sengendo na Mayiko Twachire.